Sonam Jen Sonjen Barjo Lai Gudan Dano Yangi Drama Dami Ganamadan Duakanji Dranamajam Tamji Kidu Dog Judan Do Onozo Major Namkin Danyam Bimazim Jen Dama Jeje Dondur Yantabra Daba Sanji Jonkonsir Yonde Kandenji Komparam Boji Denya Wada Jani Jan Dobarja Ode Dobarja Vijar Doba Jembo Damba Juzamo Senyam Bukana Kanju Jiramba Damji Yuden Lama Damba Javaji Zaradabdi Zembar Zar.
First of all, begin by adjusting your motivation, thinking that you're here in this occasion to listen to the most profound teachings of the Mahayana. The reason why you are receiving these teachings is because you're aspiring to be able to help sentient beings who have been your mothers in the past and are as vast as the vastness of space. So for their sake, you aspire to reach this precious state of perfect and complete enlightenment, the state that is characterized by the full development of all positive qualities and the total elimination of every trace of negativity. With this particular thought in your mind, please adjust your motivation.
Oji da yang tabar zabu sanji jomden di dambada si mara sanza kurdi kwe tawni ta tsuni yobadi po kwe ka honda yina sanji sanyang kwe wari oda sanji wadi ji da nyom mwa dan shichi dhaba la sabu chon tamchi mara sanwa am seba oji da dini yonden kwandang denpa am oji tuzi cheba yenpa yendu Badayang Siku Dingi, Oda Shang Chibayang Sanji Dingi, Oda Tindrago, Oda Sanji Jomden di Mara, Denya Chigazu, Mamabana, Samdang Dingi, Chigayan Shenchi, Chiga Nam Shina, Tindra Nanjan Gamara Sanjia Chumara Yudingi, Tati Mugila Zoni, Mamabana, Tindrago Sanjia Cheto, Ojuda, Tanda Johnson, Sanji Jomden Digo. Ki yonde, Sangu yonde, Tuji yonde, Oda Tazo Temple Goni, Tela Yichiva Goni, Mama Bana Rona Tindran Jonjirka Yoba Yichiva Dang Nyamdo, Ojuda, Chuseju Dimara, Nyagua Dang, Nyamba Am Tugua, Juyon Tu Donti Samni Drondo Chigua, Ojuda Drondo Chiba Don Tela Yandang Yonde Komdi Jino Gum Jagua, Dan Durdina Tuzam Gomsum Go. Ji Shaba Kari Jiva Yana, Tomara Kanon Zambola, Rogli Diva Yendu, Jiran Chiwi, Kangar Sria Zamayember, Namkin Tadanyamba, Subject Tamjiko, Kangar Sria, Chita Oda, Chu Nyan, some Gonzum Shiko, Yamba Kanon Zambo, Sanju some Jisamba Gonita Sanguach.
By stating the first verses for adjusting our own motivation, we mention reaching the state of perfect and complete enlightenment. When we talk about the enlightened being, the Buddha, in Tibetan we have a number of terms describing this particular state, the state of that being. We use the word Sangye to talk about Buddha, or we can talk about Changchub, which is usually translated as enlightenment. And also in English we use the Sanskrit word Buddha or Buddhahood to describe that state. If we analyze the Tibetan word Sangye, we see that it is made up of two syllables. The first syllable, Sang, is the syllable that describes the thorough purification that has been accomplished. And here when we talk about purification, we're talking about removing all types of afflictions, all types of obscurations to knowledge, and every other trace of negativity. The second syllable, Ge, talks about the expansion, the increase. And here we talk about the increase of all the great qualities of the Buddha. Now, this state of complete eradication of negativity, of full development of qualities, this awakened state is possible to be achieved. We all sentient beings actually possess the potential to reach that particular state. And knowing that we possess such a potential, we can easily set as our target, as the object of our practice, to reach that particular state. And as we do that, it is quite important to remind ourselves of the incredible qualities of the holy body, speech and mind of the Buddha, and with great faith and the faith of conviction actually set our goal the attainment of such a particular state. Whatever dharmic activity we do, whether it is the activity of hearing, listening to the Dharma, whether it is the activity of reflecting on it, or whether it is the activity of generating familiarity with it by meditating on it, it's very important at the beginning to set properly one's motivation. It is not enough to think that we will engage in any of these activities for the sake of myself alone, but rather it is much more meaningful to say that whatever we do, we will do it for the sake of all sentient beings. Therefore, make sure from the beginning that you set your motivation and you make sure that it is the mind of bodhicitta that influences and qualifies all your Dharma activities.
Baba Kanda Zombo, Samita Batra, Poki the Jana Baba Kanda Zombo, or that the Yara Sanji Jomden de la Shujawa, Shujawa Nanjango Kanda Zombu, what you that you Queen Zeba, Songun Zeba, Tujin Zeba, don't you at you. Never see Jilla Saba, Noni Mara, Simunda, which ending it you and by and do what you. Chun Chingi and I on Tinoja, Yingi and I on Tinoja, Pogmi Jedon Dembagoni, Chingi and I on Tigoni Chigua, Yingi and I on Pogmi Jedon Dembagoni, Nyagua, what you that in Ryan Bay and do to that Dandini come the night you, Jonathan the night you but Samato, Mena, Ronon Sosu Nyemberti, you Shama, you Katon Sheberti, what you did on a Samlo Tomberti, Gunjaberti, Kadu and Ayon, or you the Rangu Jatu and Dunjinam Garayan and Ratinrani, Jews Honji Johnson, Shakti Shankamji, Dirton, Tronamba, Javir Pogdame by Jusarta, Pome Tambuji. Or that the need Javir Pogdame by Sartap and Dundo, or you Louis on Shakti Shankamji, Dirty Tronton Yamba, Louis Pogdame by Muachi. The Sala Nivazo Yanat in the Turtuki, Mazoli Dambovi, Turtaya Menayon, Muaji, the Karchimbo Yamba and Lubak the Meba, or the Mugoni, Pame Nivaji, or that in Raga Goni, or you that Shakti Shangamji, Dirty Tronton Yamba, some Jan Pog the Mebati, Pame Sambaji, Pog the Meba, some Jan Pog the Mebaji, Kudi of Muaji Gua and do. That's something about the Meba Nona to Lama Yerba Yato Tandruda Chiva, Rua Rutubo and Pog the Mebajin Kudu Muaji. They are Marji, Namba, Minamba Yamba, Rutu Soso Yamba, Tapong Samba. Tindago, something about the Meba, to think about Tomini, Soja, to go some G, to Karasako, non trigger Dicton, Pog the Mebaji, John Yadi Pongmi Javaji. Or that in Ragu Jongi Sherdo, or you Chunchingi and I, you Kinabana of Pogdem Mebago Guni, Mari Chunchiki Yoba, Yangi and Apogdem Mebago Guni Yangi Yoba. The Ragu Chavir Pogdem Meba Kuli was read on the Charjan de Pogdem Meba Juvamne, no time Jimmer, you Thomas, Chiji, some gentles who jug a dudrip, some like Gadi Chebergentia, Nikab Tardico. You Tavana Tabjin Chamber Combo, Transon Yamba Goni, then you go at you. What you that bomb is on Goni Guach.
There, Some time ago, we talked about the Samantabhadra prayer, and we explained within the context of that, we had an explanation of the four countless aspects. Within that, we also discussed the different deeds of the Buddha, and we said that from deeds of enlightened activity of body, speech, and mind, it is actually the enlightened activity of the speech of the Buddha that is the most important from our own side. It's the easiest for us to receive and be affected by that. But in every time that the speech of the Buddha is communicated and transmitted, it is very important for us, for everyone who is involved in that, or for the one who transmits it, as well for the ones who receive it, to engage in this activity by means of the four countless aspects. So we will explain those, and please try to keep those in mind in this occasion where you will be hearing the transmission of the sutra. Later on, when you will be reciting it, when you will be reflecting on it, or when you will be meditating on it. So first of all, visualize that the space in front of you is completely filled by countless Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. The place is completely filled by countless objects of refuge. There are as many as atoms exist in all the myriads of worlds. So this first one, the countless objects of refuge, is the first countless aspect. The second one is that actually you are engaging in this activity not with one single body, but with countless bodies, with as many bodies as atoms exist in the countless existence in these realms of this world. Of course, those who abide on the grounds are actually capable of manifesting these myriads of bodies. Those who have not reached such high levels of realization, at least they can visualize, they can think that they're manifesting countless bodies. So manifesting countless bodies and engaging in the activity of hearing, or later on reciting, reflecting, and meditating, is the second countless. The third one is to actually visualize that you're not doing this activity alone, but to think that you're surrounded by countless myriads types of sentient beings who fall into the 6 types of migrators. So imagine that the place is completely filled by gods, asuras, humans, nagas, hungry ghosts, hell beings, all sorts of beings that fall into the 6 type of migrators. But for the sake of auspiciousness, visualize all them as being in the human aspect. So countless sentient beings join you in this activity. This is the third aspect of countless. And the last one is to think that you're engaging in this activity in order to be able to purify negativity and obscuration that has been accumulated and committed over the 3 times by those countless sentient beings. So keeping those 4 countless aspects in your mind, also add a further visualization. Think that from the heart of your countless bodies, rays of light and nectar emanate and go out. Those, they reach the environment and completely purify it. After they purify the environment, they also affect sentient beings that inhabit this environment, and they completely transform them so that very quickly these beings proceed into the path and very quickly see them attaining the state of enlightenment due to this activity of yours. So with this frame of mind, with this understanding, this visualization, prepare yourself to receive these teachings.
Ojuda dinda imba yendu ju da jirdan ju garzigo long se ju di mar ju rumba jinde chigni chigde jenni mara long go jende to ba yendu ju long ma tung ni go ju char chu la char ja tamba la ba dang long thomni ju char chu la ba phayon nyamba yamba yendu oda dinda go ngoni mara da sen gu ba chigdan da danda da ji tang ni shua na yen I could not know the drum that I may can have done work and you don't know them, but you could do that with shooting those to chew and chingy down, so long and not shooting day and shooting those on your or then yangy and not time you could do that with chewing and those in that dinner with some of time at you. The Jew do a much under my say, look, Congo Marine Yoba. Nyambush and love got to go so jenna, you that ridiculous and gently shenchi. Sanji goes on at dinner you are. Kurakabji, Semona, Divanamia, Yomayan, Riri Lamara, Chisana, Kangarayuari, Chansana, Kangarayuari, Tandro, Kangarayuari, Lala, Kangarayuari, 어디 소소소소 강가르디 세 소소소소 jelashie di sem chugo니 신지 라바다 되니 오즈르다 들든 배정 지야디 어디 디캅스 지야에는 배워지 모양디니.
Rinpoche was saying that actually in the beginning, at the beginning of the teachings, when the teacher sets the motivation, the teacher recites the verse that you hear, and in that it says, I will teach the profound Dharma for the sake of sentient beings. Now, this is from the side of the teacher, but from the side of the students, you can think, I will hear the profound Dharma for the sake of sentient beings. So just adjust. We need to make this slight adjustment of this word. Now, it's important to consider sentient beings and all the types of suffering they experience, because as we say, abiding within cyclic existence is as comfortable as it would be if you were sitting at the tip of the needle. And this applies to every sentient being, whether we talk about gods, whether we talk about nagas, whether we talk about humans. Every sentient being has their own particular type of suffering. By engaging in this activity, where Dharma is transmitted, where Dharma is heard, is perceived, and where the blessings are issued forward, then we have to think strongly that it is all done for the sake of sentient beings and that their suffering has been removed, has been eliminated. Now, we are here today to receive the transmission of the Sangata Sutra, and there is a great explanation of the benefits of first of all, transmitting this sutra, then receiving this sutra. And it says the benefits are incredible. Even just receiving, reciting, recollecting one verse of this sutra, one word of this sutra, the merit is incredible. The blessings and the benefit of that is incredible. Even writing and reproducing this sutra, even if you were to write down one word of this sutra, the benefits would be incredible.
Just before that, I just mentioned that by having received the oral transmission of the Sangata Sutra, that you read one time, the benefit equals without receiving the oral transmission, read this scripture 100 times. So the benefits is equal. After having received oral transmission, you read it one time, the benefits equals to without having received the oral transmission, the lineage, then have read this 100 times. So the light beam before the purified sentiments come from Buddha Bodhisattvas and purified also.
Papa Zanjin do the bamboo sijidi, bamboo sumna yunaji yogiwa, bamboo tambo di drumna tin samdani, or you read the Durji Choba, non de Ju Pugaya, that did that you are Gonga Daring 2 months on Gonda Jina, the Nipartin Loyu Jirisangu.
Now, this Sangata Sutra is actually divided into 3 main parts, and Rinpoche was thinking that after we complete the first part, maybe Rinpoche would like to also offer the transmission of the Diamond Kata Sutra, and then probably by continuing with an afternoon session, we will be able to complete the transmission.
Oda dinim baba sangun do doyan zembarashur jagar kedaryar sanga sadar dharman baraya pogidam baba sangun du chuji namdant pambo tambo sanjida janju zambadam jila chantaralo dake dakutua tujuna jumnendi jerbu kabnat Nijagujin Pambuela, Gilong, the Jambord, Gilong, some Trini Ton, Nalan, the 30th, now them back, you go, the nut, so now them by Mongarji, but Jumbo, not now them by Sherry, but so now them by Oson Jumbo dance, so now them by Dajin, and dance, so now them by Neri, so now them by Bagula dance, so now them by Son John dance, so now them by Zomber dance, so now them by Sandy Barat. So now them by Tuzer dance, so now them by Ramjur dance, so now them by Namjut, so now them by Gadi dance, the Dolas of Bagilon, some Trini dance, Jean Josamba, to Trini dance, and the 30s, Jean Josamba, Zamba, Jumbo Jamba, Jean Josamba, Zamba, Jumbo, Kundu Pava dance, Jean Josamba, Zamba, Jumbo, Juni Para dance, Jean Josamba, Zamba, Jumbo, Yonur Niva dance, Jean Josamba, Zamba, Jumbo, Yonur Zambo dance, Jean Josamba, Zamba, Jenambo. Mandro don't Sanjo Zamba Zamba Jimbo Jabber, Sanjo Zamba Zamba Jimbo, Kundu Zambo down, Sanjo Zamba Zamba Jimbo, Tana do it, Sanjo Zamba Zamba Jimbo, Menji did on, Sanjo Zamba Zamba Jimbo, Duri did on, did on lots of Sanjo Zamba, Zamba Jimbo, to Trini don. Laib, Trini don, and the 30 Laib, Sudava don, Laib, Zombo. Laib, Chandu Zombo don, Laib, Chundu don, Laib, Zandin, but Laib, Zandani don, Zandani don, Laib, Zandan don, the Dolas of Laib, Trini don, Laib, Moji don, and the Daradir. Laib, more, Nadan don, Laib, Monzidan don, Laib, Don you Jidan don, Laib, Neri, Mugbaradon, Laib, Mochigi, Domot, Nivadon, Laib, Tumzan don, Laib, Monobardon, Laib, Molapazon, the don, the Dolas of Laib, Mojiton don, Lee Jerabo, Jiton, and the 30, Lee Jabo, Samame don, Lee Jabo, Eli and Damadon, Lee Jabo, Yamadon, Lee Jabo, Pambanyabo don, Lee Jabo, Bambango don, Lee Jabo, Gishi don, Lee Jabo, Chananda, Gavadon, Lee Jabo, Dabzon don, Lee Jabo, Lombingo don, the Dolas of Lee Jabo, Jiton don, Tapju the Judir. Dam Jay, Jebu Calababa, Calabada, Najakuji Mambu, Nere Calabada, Jumdendi, Calaba, Don, dear, Nagani, Jumdendi, Jabangu, under the Jumdendi, Nasum Kurajini, Jumdendi, Jang, Arankobad, Jumdendi, John, Masomara, Jibi, non, or Denny, Jumba, Jumbo, Kundu, Baba. Stanley non di la guida facile zarani muiva la salati la salati di jumdendi kalava di lawazo da mojava de ni jumdendi ran de yesoro ne jumdendi la shiva don haiva mojiva chanje zana bari ne chanje zana shiva mambo dan dudi jumdendi nya tu shiva mambo dan le japo nama ja chunye bel den du ni Kojan China, Pinabara, Jumbayan, the Verda, Jiji, and you bat, Jetavi, some Jim Gamba, Namner, Tomato, the Digital, Damanji, Nanjava, Dons, and Jona, Namana, give a Junalam, Barazona, John, Jeberadan Baba, do Baranger, dear, give a Junalina, Manyam, Yonza, Manyam John, Yonza, Yambara, Manjava, dear David. Nadi, the Chuji Zara, Nubadi, Lover Shitters, or the Kiji Zara, Jim the and the Jim and Bajambo, Kundu Baba, and the Kiji Gazara, the Kundu Baba Chur, the Jabala, Don, Dun, Duvara, Sambana, Kundu Baba, Liso, Kundu Baba Chur, the Sher, Libera of the Nunayala, Don Judan, Michola, Shidor, Jim and the Yano, she is or near. Sanjava Zamba Zamba Jumbo Kundu Baba Jum Dendi, Tarin Badon, Jum Dendi, Tilan the Kiji Kazara, the Kundu Baba, Son Shijava Juji Namdon, Neri, Kond, that Terion Zambuland, Shubashi, you did, Kond, and Sango Juji Namdon, the Tunat, Nadi, Samibang Aid, Lee Namashan, Janameba, the Bird of Vision, Javid, Sherma Dover and Jerod. Kundu Baba and the Chinyam the Kundu Baba and the Chinyam the Summit, Kondaka Song and Dundu to a Tita, the generation of a Chico, Sonam Jim Pombo Jini, but 10 years, dear. Dini Jibanjero Yamna Gundu Baba Ditaramata Gundu Bavi Sorvar on a Jeter Tavaraju, Jimini Kasarva, Gundu Baba. The Dijan of Rajumba, the birds of Sanji Congo, Longo Shimani, Namji, Sonamji, Pombo, Chini, Barat, and use a bass and Bajambo did our good. Sonamji, Pomboya, Dini, Jibanjero, Gundu Baba, Gond, the Julian around the two at the Damjin. Sherma Dabar and Jero, the Damjin, the Dijan of Anton and Jero, the Damanjin, the Dijan of Anton Adam, Mandreva and Jero, the Damjin, the Nameba, the birds of his own birds of Anton Jover and Jero, the Damji, give Nature, Gondo, the Baranjeva, the Davalar, the Dujin, Mazavar and Jero, and the Baba Gondo, the Song and the two the Dor. Damanji, Chivadang, Shiva and Jero, then he's on Joseph Tamji, the Stanley, Londi, the Queen of Bachudas, and if more you are longer, so as the Jumendila, no Shubat, Jumendi, the general job, no Jumendi, the general job, Chico, son of Jim Bambo, Dinin, Chi, Chico, son of Jim Bambo, Chini, Chicken Chi, Jumendi, Jacasarva. Rujiva, the was on G, Chico, son of Jim Bambo, Signon, the 30, Perna, Jamso, Jimbuchi, the Badon, Nanzambu language, the Tar of Jenny Badon, Congo language, Madon, and Badid of Damanji, Sajilani, Jean December, Jean December, Jean December, of Damji, son of Jim Bambo, Vino, Sanji, Chico, son of Jim Bambo, Chimong, or Consango, Jim, down the 2 years. Some Jan and the Sonam Jim Pombo TV, John, Jim on the Jibaran deer, Jibaran deer, the Sonam Jim Pombo, Jenny Banner, drawn with Sergi, and then thought of a Manu sword, Kandababa, the dinner gone to the tunic, the true Jimbaran Jibatin, Sonam Jim Pombo, for them, Jibaran road, the Nijam and the light on Jus and Bajambo, Kandababi in the Gigi, sword door. Jumdendi, some Jim Gong Chuji, the young Kumber and Jirati, the Conlord, the Gigi Suradon, Jumdendi, Jijan, Jus and Bajambo, Kandababa, the Gigi Casarado, Kandababa, some Jin Yibu and the Dawn, some Jin Yibu and the Dawn, Chuji on the Kumbai and the New Conscienat. Kandababa and the 30, Chugino, some Jen Damjila, Chugino, some Jen Damjila, Chugino, some Jen Damjila, some Yamba or Kandababa, and you are no gone to near, gone to near some Jen Damjila, and somewhere, young Tabar of the Tumba was on Jers and Bakandaba survive. No, Jumdendi, to near some Jen Damjila. Some years I'm Jilan, somebody on the bar of the Tomba, gone Lord. I can then the Kazarva, Kandaba, Chigno, Chutuni, on Jib de Anson, Moody, Namish on Jib de Anson, Vatina, some yet I'm Gigi, Chuji on the Combayan Nord, Kandaba, Nivano, Tabajam, Bola, Nuba dear, Taude Chuji, Taude Chuji on the Combayan Nord, Combayan Nord. Ridandi Sangundo, Sigi Sans Sigi, Niga Meridi, Dabarjindi, Sanson Rangidu, Tambodi, Judas and Jan Ganga Marju, Chutungi, Varimatungi, Vari de Monchiva, Chumatu, Kangando, Maraju, Sem Mazukarizago, Kala, Sayan Tanga Maron, Sem Kumdivan, no Jungle Dingar Yongo Yuvaris, or Judati. Chu Tuati, you run you some Jim Kajiko, a Kangar Seria, don't you did the Chimayimba, Namkin Tadon Yamba, some Jim Tamjiko, Kangar Seria with Chedon, Zobas Honji Compon Toya with Chedon, Mujavati, Santamboji. But the song Nibadi, you Tabajambola, Tabajambu, that Chuji Salamara, Lun Jino, Jivadi, young. Tabajambu, Sala, Lu Maju, some J. Lu Judingi, young, you are the Maju, some J. Montagu, you are and do, the Amara, Kumdin, you are and do, or you Tabajambu, Chuji, 30, Amjago, then you two, then he Nyambaton, the Sambaton, the Gumjavayana, the Kumda was so good, or that thing you would Nakani Bodi, sounds a you did in Ginding.
Now, if we look at the name of the sutra, the Pakpa Sumbe Do, it's translated here as the Connected Sutra. And we need to understand that when we look at the sentient beings, there are, of course, a number of sentient beings who have heard the Dharma and have had contact with Dharma, but there is a great number of sentient beings who have never heard of it. And they are as if they are in a state where they are hungry and thirsty because they have not received the instruction of the Dharma, the same way that an ordinary being would be suffering from hunger and thirst if they don't receive any nourishment, any foods and drinks. Similarly, we can become deprived, hungry and thirst for the Dharma. So the first type of connection that is to be understood within the context of this sutra is that whatever activities we do, we know that we're always dedicated not just for ourselves, but so that we can reach the state of enlightenment in order to be able to benefit all sentient beings. So this action of including all sentient beings in our dedication, of having the aspiration to help them all in this way, is, let's say, the first aspect or the first factor of connectiveness. Now, the second one is that we understand that, of course, there are, as we say, certain sentient beings who have heard the Dharma, but not everyone has familiarity with teachings of the Great Vehicle. But by engaging in these activities of transmitting the Mahayana teachings, eventually sentient beings will hear about them. After a while, they will start reflecting, they will start meditating about it, and through that, they will develop some familiarity in their minds with the Mahayana teachings. So this is the second aspect of connectedness, of bringing beings together.
Tandana Yayadi, Jida Samjan, Julu Yonjon down, Samjan Lu Gimba Nisi, that Chu Matua down, the Matua Togo Comdivando, Yembayandu, or Jida Comba Nibodi Ting with on Tinibodela, Chutuadi Conga, Ron Sanjia, which Chet Mojaga and do, Mova Givati Tokuari, Tigo Comda was so Kuaris, Samjan Yona Comsokuri, Samjan Gamberg on Comsokuri, that number you would particularly read Tombola in the Chigi, the need of a Chambu Chula, Julia de Oyon, Jurakua Maritana, Amjaka Tuya, you are married to Don de Mariju, Samuel Tonga, you are married, Gumjaga, you are married, dear Kumdivanda Wotela, Yanju Tanda with Tava Chambu Chuji, 30 married draw, number 2, Shanaka Toka, Remi,
Now, within the sutra, we find this terminology of young and old sentient beings. And also saying, I really think that it refers to, it makes a distinction between those who maybe have heard or have not heard the Dharma, those who have familiarity with teachings of the Great Vehicle or not. In whichever is the case, eventually we need to understand that if all this being, if we were to make this dedication that whatever virtue is created through hearing the Dharma, it can be dedicated towards the ultimate enlightenment of all these beings. So you can see that this dedication will come into fruition. Now, the other issue that is discussed here is that, of course, there are a lot of sentient beings who have not even entered the Great Vehicle. They have never had an opportunity to listen to teachings of the Great Vehicle. For even more, did not have any opportunity to hear or to meditate or reflect or develop familiarity with those. But now, as this teaching, as this sutra of the Great Vehicle is transmitted, there is an opportunity that is offered to all the sentient beings. So eventually the hope is that through the blessing of this transmission of this sutra, eventually they will, not only they hear it now, but eventually they will truly enter into the ranks of the Great Vehicle.
Kanda Baba some Jenny Ponda on the Chuji on the Combayan New Conscience, Kanda Baba and the Dirty Tunas and Jetamji, some Jetamjila, some Yamba or Kanda Baba, Nibana, Gone Chutuni, some Jetamjila, and somebody on the bar of the Tomba, Jean Joseph Kanda Babi is right, and then the Chutini, some Jetamjil. Somebody the bar of the back on Lord. Then the Casara Gandaba, Chuna, Chutuni, John Jude on the Moody, Namshan Jude on the Muvatinas, and Jetam Gigi, Chuji on the Combayan, Gandaba, Nivana, Tabajamola, Nivat, Taude on Chuji on the Combayan, Dini Ladan, Ladon Madan. Taipa Moshiva, Telly, Lonely, Jumden, the Jation, or Thermo Jerdy, Jumden, the Land of Kajas or Door, Jumden, the Dowaja, John, Chuji on the Commission China, Jumden, the Dowaja, Dons, and yet I'm Gigi and on the Zopan and Zetos or then he Jumden, the JD, and the Ban Zetor, then he don't use them as a Belgian book on the Bava, Telly, Lonely, Jumden, the Kadava, the Lord of Thermo Jerva, the Jumden, the Land of Kajas or Indians and Banzeba, Jim Conlow, Jim Conlow, then he jumped in the Giros and Bazamba, Jimbo, Condovala, Catsava, Condobava, and Jim Condor, Hogany, and I may buy out the birds of his own birds of us, Java, Tito, Tamgino, the Jabba, on the Tripper and Jerwood, Sean Javas and Bacondo, Baby Survar, and then the Jim Condor, Jim Convina, some gender, Labanam, and I may buy out the birds of his own birds of and Son Jet, Jim then the Casarvar, Condobava, Chu, Dijan, Jabala, Don Rubber, Sambana, Lizo, Condobava, Dijan, and the Lions, Move Jabber and Yonjir, Condobava, one John Diva two, Carvadon, Meberiva, Daisy, they do not Jabba, Region by on the birds of Sanjir and Jabbar. She Java, Rupadon Jabba, Nemba, Diva Java, Nidan, Chivan, the Kalu Java, Mebaladam, when I'm Jidon Bazon, Jum, then you can do John or Condobava, Daisy, Tuna, Matamzi, Church, the Churdir, some Jan Condo, Sanji, Shila, so Surkoba, the Tamjir, Daisy, dinner of the journey. They do not the kid, the Tarot of Gondola, the Mergy on the server, Chirva, the dog Tamanji, Miss Honji, and the Chivar Church, the dog Tamji, the doggy Honji, Shila, so the Gober Church, Molam Tabdi, the Red of the doggy, John Sudi, Tuni, the Church, the Queen, Midi. Condobava gives about dinners and gented on the loud deer, and I may buy on the birds of his own birds of on Java and Jero. Then he don't use them by the Jumbo, Condopavi, Jumden, Tua Chimbo, Tuni, Jumden, the land of Kitches, or do Jumden, and gented of good, some gented of good, tea, thinner. Just a chicken taparanger, Jumden, Casavas and Jendidog, Seas and Caravaji, Taparanger, John Javas and Bacondo Babies or Jumden, the Carvasi, Jatamano, Jumden, the Casava, Rujiba, Nonjur, in the third day, Bernamala, Shiki, Malala, Shiki, Rava, Chichen, the Poxy, Geneva, Poxy, Genila, Ponda Poxy. Somebody got to the Rabadi, no 13, Shataki on the Congressilar, the Nimati Low Town Dijan, Rabba 30 and D on the Congatili, 30 and Rachu, Sharur the Bordir, the Davas the Mudi, 30, the dog Tamji, Sebarashila, Rabadi, Moyam, Jayan, Mebaracher, the Sunjan. Cabana Sibramanjoro, Condobava, on the Dardir, Bernard, Rungamsa, Boxing up Cherry, Pond the Bawazir, Bond the Bawazir, Geneva, Shiola, the Nimalala, Jigorati, Mula, Chamatsu, the Tiran board, Lujan Dijan, Kashiki, Rigi, and Chidi, the Darashiver, the separate Jerda St. John, Caravana Separamanger, the Condobava, Carvateno, the Nord. The Nizon Javas and Bazambajambo, Condobava, Tenny, long deer, Jim the Land, the Cages or do, Jim the Indian, Chiki John, Sonam Jim Bambo, Monte Chiban, and the third deer, the Diva, Nazi. Diva the Caravaji Tabar and Yerna contingent of Tembala, Christian, the Mambo Jabba, Tamujan Chesar, and then the Casava Jiba, Nyon Jud, Consango Chujian, I'm down to a DZ, Ti si se jang kaba je tre je tang tabaran jerna kanda baba gong sangando yi kin dr ni ba dang la ba ta je mu di kanda baba dina sonam je mambo na rab da mambo je baran jero kanda baba ne jang je san ba gong chi sangando la nye ta ba ni chang tar ba dina kaba gu che sa gu sar ba tembaran jero kaba tu ji war de la na kholu jero 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 Sendalayon Tamjir, Governor, the Kanda Baba, the Sonjin Cheva, two Jebaramanjur, the Guncheva, two Jebaramanjur, Natila Sheji, Superamanjur, or Nanchakarari, and Jakarayan, Sonji, Chiva, Trava, Gujeta, Sagum was on the Tomoranger de Tomoranger de Kanda Baba, Sonji, then the Daki John, Natila Chiva, Damba Juji, Songandu, Juji, Namadan, Jimbo, Liberate. Liberajiba Duir Sonamji, Nabarajiba Duir, Nabarajiba Duir, Nabarajiba Duir, Sonamji Bambo and the G dear, Sonamji Bambo and the G dear, the Sanji Jumdi Shiva Travel Gupjes Sago, what did I give John? Jitanji and Kama so long tomber in Jernard, Kandaba Consangundu, Chujinam, Jimbo and the Tatavar. Ari Zabara Jatu, Tachuji, Manju Shigaji, Winjamarinjero, Tenijum and the Jean Javazambar, Sambajambo Kandabavi and the Kiji, Sordo, Jumnandir, Dojaki, John, Sangan, the Chujanamra, Chambo, Nyambara Jena, Jumnandir, Davasonam Jimbo, Jesam Jibaranjer, Jumnandi Kasarvat. Kanda Baba Sanji Jumdi, Congo Longa Chimadan, Yambanam Jisonam Jim Bambo Chinip, Samjin Teon Sonam Jim Bambo, Tini Chibaranjero, Surva, Jumdi, Nam, Doki Songo Chuji Namran Chambo, Nimba Tinar, Jumdi, Mumma Sarador, Jumdi Kasarva, Kanda Baba Chu, Chunamji, Mumma Shiva, Mumma Shiva, Lizo, Kanda Baba Ngayon, Chunamji, Mumma Shina. Kanda Baba Shiva Susi Chu Namanji, Manyon, Shavata Jemur, Kanda Baba Rudiva Rudiva Mokona Taba Jembola, Tiba Chibati, Kavaton, Laporaton and Ruva Manger, Kavamaton, the Rujiva Manger, Kavan Triniton, Lung Embara Manger. Long Embara Manger, Kavan Trijiton, Nari and Taco the Jew and other Jura Manger. Carvania Rab the Jambala Power Ranger, Carvania Trangaton, the Lay, the Jewel, Carvania, some Trangaton, then somewhere cheap, Jupiter, Neraro, the Carvaja Turret, Chimji, near Young Ranger, Carvanga, Chun, the Barrier, Carvatu Trangaton, the Chavaji, the Temper, Gumberanger, or Kandava, Rujama, Rujama, Della, Dupoli, John Z. John, Young Ranger. The Janjir, Loving Paramanjero, and up the Maying at the Chiver Manjero, Gandaba, Gonjuji, and around the two at the Curry, Netidana, Gonda, Gonda, Chian, Gravaton, Mipa, Gupchesanga, Lopa, Lopera, Tongan, Dora Manjer, Cavaji, Tur, no two and the Baranger, no two and the Baranger, Cavaji, Gravaton, Gavadon, the soldier by Ponanger, Gavagatu, Gaton, the Zendama Ponanger. Gavatur, sometimes the Tamis Ponanger, the Kanda Conjugi, and around the 2 years and did on a Nibraco. Then he don't use them by Jimbo Kanda Baba, Tenny, long day, the Green Drop by Chitters, and if more evil, and Arzala, and then the Calava de Lozo, Thermojava, then he jumped in the land, the Gage or door. Then the Conda, Juji, and around the Poma Tower, the Legion, Pombo, Jisam Chipper and Jerry, and the Jacas, Kanda Baba Mongo, so Rajan and the years and Jended, the Legion, Pombo, Jenny, Jisam Chipper and Jerry, and then the Jacas, Kanda Baba. Caro, Ringala, the Legion, Pombo, Kanamatra, Sigurd, Kanda Baba, contingent about Rajan by on the birds on the Congo Jinichi, Shima, Yela, no Semichi Baviner, Gon Sangondola, Mopati, TV, McGiven, Pombo, Chimonto, Chido, Kanda Baba, Gondor, Taba Jimbola, no person Chiba, Teta John, TV Magivan Bongo Chimondo Jibranger di Kanda Baba Zambian di Donor Tsuba o Tsubanyo do Kanda Babi Survar Yundia Zambian di Donor Tarva Jimani Lausamat Yundi Kazara Kanda Baba di Yandir Tarva Shamanu so Kanda Baba and the 30 Panamala Jikan Kuchila Natira di Mena Donta Amari Neri Kara Amabara Nari Bara Mamari Mararaman Mararam Government Gonorama Jikan Gula Kunar Kanda Bavanda Jinam the Semes Jendil Don New Summer Nakanda Babies Rajan and the area Mumatavas or Jumden the Jumden the Kataba Kanda Baba Jam Majan you better gelati some jan Jana Sonum Botamnar Nari and Sonaton Jigu Dabi so Chumanu John so Chumanu John Kanda Baba Manjo Ranger the Menji Janati Matsu Ranger Road Nam Suvarjiva Dina Dinger Janani Tana Dago Shiji Nangayon Duba Magiva Limobra the Java Majavo Yam the Sembar Dijananda Kanda Baba Mati and Namar Dinger Jamba Dina Duba Damji on the Pongor the Judamanjir was on the Jibaranger Judamji was on the Chini the give Judamji on the Jibaranger Kanda Baba and the 30 Penamashika Penamashika Shiva Pamar Yang Shijan Mango and Dona John Tilla Chapsi Nuba Miba Dijananda Kanda Baba Shiva Suzuki was in Janama John Dona Memba Jana Memba Shimanu de Bama de Rito Chibajananda Zanjanaman Cheva Diji Rito Jibaranger Kanda Baba Nibunda Dawan Samjanamji Rito Jibayanandir Ni Gong Jananda Dadi Junasm Jan Dubajiba Amashidan Yuba Majuna Damba Jubonwa de Nibo de Donasm Janam Joe Diji Rito Jiba and Yuzamba Ganda Babi Sura Jumandi Zamjandi Dog and Rua Gong Lord Tail Hima Gong Lord Jumandi Kazara Ganda Baba Zamjan the Damba Jula Mobana Jin Ruan and Tai the Chamarayan Tai Kanda Baba Damba Jur Nebon was in the Donori Karazim Jen Karazim Jen Jimbo Nambo the Turan Ranger or Garavad Karbara Dinum Karba Dijum down the Karba Savadon Karba the Savadon Karazim Jen Jimbo do no down Karazim Jen Karazim Jen Yarava Jimbo Narmibat Karvara some January Jimbo Pizan, Nashi Jabadan Kravazan January Janambo Josephat Kravat Kanda Baba and January Jimbo Jibo did out Karva Gigi Karva Gigi or the Dinger and Orange Road in Jumandi Jumdan Dila and Joseph Jimbo Kanda Babi and the Gigi Sordo Jumandi Jumdan Dinger Lavas or Divarjaba Dinger Lavas Nimbra Matro Dinir. Jumdan the Japan the Gazar, some January, some Janam, Jeter Dinger, Narab Surinor, Juba Jambu, Sundal, Choji, Chonan Bird, Trumaya, Consigiver Lijibar, then a giver in Jirayan, Consigur Magi Lijiba, then Dinger in Danger, Consigur the Jimashiva, Jinin Chiva Dinger Don, Yang Jamba Dinger Jir, Shiva the Dinger Lower Condos on you in Chow Dramba. Kivanam the Divayan Tabajila Dibayon, Dedang and Roman Jeruk and the Baba Tijan the Mojili Jirapkerni, Li and the Chonga Shiva Yon, Duvan Tai Chubaranjera Sanji Chan, Sanji Changu Chan Chok the Sabon Tamna Duvachi, Jatarari Sabon Yon Tabi, Yon Tabali, Duva Mambo, Chubajan Javatana. No, Jabatana Gajiban Givanam, Divaranger, Dipadona, Dipadona, Nabrabon, Givado, Montagir, Condo, Mai, Dembala, Jimbat, Natrasam Shimbano, Cravadon, Roger, Lonju, Chijon, Norion, Mont. Jambatra, Zamashimbano, Cravadon, Roger, Lonju, Chijon, Norion, Mont, 光的就而样的到的人白见的的上级人白你什么的能留记的你中的的上级人白见不光的白边的给就说都就那的就的就那的就点不去才玩就那的就的那上官的去见那张推你给我在外样子那么人就就那的就个在外光的白光过的人就把这就白样的把这把上级光过了那今年节些嘛你那些嘛你到了地方有些当季节那地方有些当季节呢个人些那当然光过上过去节那光过上过都去节那的年吧的说那么节忙不样地上的去玩叫我那上去上班跟着把别说就那的就在给我这个样子这不这个就是说那就那的就上去上班节目跟着爸爸让的给就开始都光给我这个点了的人说把当从白人去玩叫给我这个的人说把当从白人从白人的这个就那这个就把刚了我就那的就开始把跟着爸那去买把点了的人说把当从白人去玩叫我跟着爸别说吧就那的去买把刚了我就那的就开始刚上滚都找把点了去买把我跟着爸别说吧就那的那刚到上滚都去见那张图的到讲都特别说那么些忙不基本上就是那刚到一跟着吧当老板大节目的到说那么些忙不就咱们就基本上就是就那的就开始吧跟着爸爸娘就跟着爸爸娘就那得的本来小个日子样的人就把这就把样都把上去光过了今年就起码你到我可把今年就玩的就像主动的上滚队那上滚都的一跟着吧的说那么些忙不就讲说那么些忙不就讲那的说那么些忙不他那到把里他那到把里他到把人们这个就把人们说就那的光过了就在些嘛你几讲一跟着吧说那么些忙不的就把人们呢光一跟着吧当三把当老板的到去第二等就吧他就没讲就三把跟着把别说就那的老板说那么些忙不就咱们的就是等你就那的就得一直就是基本的个这就是基本咱们老板那就给我讲老板那就给我讲那刚个姐姐在那里那刚个姐姐在那起码你姐姐吧也的那上滚多了那得到说那么刚有吧你们这边就说那个电脑这门就是上去那就去点吧你不是干上他一说用第一对那他就说朝周家当朝姐姐在一上滚多去见那么长点吧去见那么长点吧干了我点了说等我就说等你就那这个就说到就那的广告那广告来的那里广告广告来的那广告来的去见那去见的人的大概就那你见咱不来的人就把那六手那现在把西瓜朝这家当朝就急就那的干了吧的那个呢就那的那都给就说都几个人过他们那家路就那的就开始吧的人就把那到的家路就没到见就见到没到见前那么就在这人就的到个没有这人做给他过他们那这人做就那的就开始吧也前那么这人嘛当我前头先知道那你那就到那这人就是那这个前那么娘就当那这啦明白就把这西文路那地方没有去找这吧这找这吧可能就是你那上级先去说里三个拉面店本家店里就吧得到中间的了那中间的了中间的了区别把地方什么街道的那来用不加进去都结束了当店里就是喜欢就几步得到的找你另外前不的娘到的我想去嘛说吧的人就比较各么能玩的多店里就是吧得到我想当前面讲为中间的满堂里就是基本的都没难得那半年这样没的就那盘没马样没能找滚现在找等当恐怕东北你没多的那这样那里 마유도 샤양메정 샤양미 dana 마동데 고미 등을 들어와는 디저는 저바 마동이 마지 전부 영어는 저를 마지 전부 영어를 저요 디즈나 저와 시와 저주지보디도 때리랑 디비모니 네 살아지니 던전은 저 영지 고르지도 디저는 저바 디지전 저바 성지 공인 저 도전함란 뱀반 안도와냠도 잡도서 데니 존데 디젠 점반제니 정주선바 근데 바와라 가서바 근데 바와 손라 예 마도진 지루와 남나 네 추초지거 되게 제서와다 되게 가서와다 좀네디라 정주선바 전바 근데 바 근데 바비는 그 제서로도 좀네디 르나보너 러러리 저보라 러러리 저보라 러러리 저보라 러러리 저보라 그래서 꿀막 메시지 러러리 저보라 꿀막 금바라리 세몬드나 디전 잡아 유전도 더기 저러더라 주템버저 근데 이제 가자바 가로 루지바 디전 잡아 남지 탐기와 광기 근데 바바 손라 저기 된진 감서 뚜디 디전 잡아 건 디전 잡아 나 갈라 디전 잡아 갈라 디전 잡아 갈라 건노 갈라 레시야 디전 잡아 갈라 노와도 디전 잡아 된 건도 템바 투시기당리 근데 바바 나 근데 바바 나니지 근데 바바 나니지 나 마도제 지르바 남나 주템버자고 장주선바 근데 바비 소바 좀네디 나랑고 전저지 자마 온디 디전 잡아 전저지 티잠 시 전저지 디 저버저 네니 가저바 근데 바바랑고 전저지 또지 신지랍지 상시 근데 바바 디전 잡아 티는 네 셔셔지 네 셔셔지 데니 장주선바 근데 바바 데니랑니 네 좀네디라 그러지디 디니 담나 와르지도 데니 좀네디 네 마도제 데다라 주템바 네 잡고다 지와는 등을 와인데 지와니 장 등을 와오 네 지니 등을지 니바 모던정 지니 내지니 바남정 네리 가원지 바남정 위발린 지원지 바남정 좀네디 지와리 지원지 바 지원지 바 지원은 저러시 지와 강로 머지니 지바 모던정 내제빈지 반정고 kum빈지 반정고 메인지 반정고 뜨건지 반정고 제인지 반정고 나롱건지 반정고 나롱 철원지 반정고 나롱거 시월이 남지 나니 반정고 좀네지 네 지월은 유티다바 남바 마부 주템바도 데데데드나 예마다와 마테 제나 지르바디다 랍도 트버르제니 다저너리 신지 지와라 남양 마무소 시디기미소 좀네니 제정건도 주제나만도 시바나 예마테 제나 지르바 시와 촉주지보디다 나나메바양 더버저비 장지병서 나 더버제르도 공군 콜리장 랑군 콜리장 장주선바 당저조지 사절아랍데 니버지니 담지지장 전저지나 반트반데 더디 따이즈당 보지즈당 딱거즈당 남가된거즈당 러럽지즈 네양정리 따비즈당 라라당 신준비즈 너도는장 담지장 미트라 녀제모랑된 고도 장주선바지와 당저건의 좀된디지 이루난고 장주선바지와 너 당저건의 좀된디지 용루나 고장디전을 잡아는 더더 냠버자어디 너리 다만 기회 주도마랑 어서든바 녀모디전 잡아 나디전 잡아 적건 털장어디 좀 내니지 장주선바선바 전부 근데 바바 근데 바바 뱀 근데 바바 뱀말라 민지 된지 감린들 어른 첸도 你上就三八节目跟着爸爸那晚主啊点那让个政治节都几千几垃圾被马拉民几点钟看么点儿年这个登记才能多那么今天的节小讲话的也地上就三八跟着爸爸今天的节前个人的今天的啦那什么国外今天的啦什么那的什么今天的啦什么